What have we got here? Ooh. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh dear. Ugh. Ugh. Yucky. Now, back to the elephants. Ooh, look at them go round. Oh,